The best Ichimoku strategy is a technical indicator system used to assess the markets. This unique strategy provides trading signals of a different quality. Forex trading involves substantial risk of loss. Although, with Ichimoku cloud trading, those losses are contained and kept small. The Ichimoku system is a Japanese charting method and a technical analysis method. Our team at Trading Strategy Guides mastered the method over a long period of time. The Ichimoku indicator was published in 1969 by a reporter, Ichimoku Kinkuhyo, in Japan. This candlestick trading technique has stood the test of time. The name Ichimoku tells a lot about the trading system, or at least it gives a description of the system. Ichimoku one look, glance, Kinku balance, equilibrium, Hyo chart graph. Ichimoku cloud trading attempts to identify a probable direction of price. It helps the trader determine the most suitable time to enter and exit the market by providing you with the trend direction. It gives you reliable support and resistance levels and the strength of these market signals. Now, before we delve deeper into the Ichimoku cloud strategy, let's look at the indicators needed to successfully trade the strategy. What is the Ichimoku cloud in trading? The most popular forex trading platforms use the Ichimoku cloud indicator. The Ichimoku indicator paints all the components needed to help visualize the price action better. The Ichimoku cloud is one of the most comprehensive technical indicators in modern use. Unsurprisingly, it has quickly become the go-to indicator for forex traders around the world. In the Ichimoku cloud section, we are going to give you an in-depth overview of the Ichimoku components. So, before moving forward, let's define all the Ichimoku cloud components. We will review how to correctly interpret the trade signals generated by this technical indicator. Ichimoku cloud explained. The Ichimoku Hinkōhyo is a momentum indicator used to recognize the direction of the trend. It can also define accurate support and resistance levels. The Ichimoku cloud indicator consists of 5 main components that provide you with reliable trade signals. Tenkan-sen line, also called the conversion line, represents the midpoint of the last 9 candlesticks. It's calculated with the following Ichimoku formula: 9 period high plus 9 period low / 2. Kijin-sen line, also called the base line, represents the midpoint of the last 26 candlesticks. It's calculated with the following formula: 26 period high plus 26 period low / 2. Chiyu span, also called the lagging span, lags behind the price as the name suggests.